How noisy will my boiler be when it's on?
This will depend on a couple of things. Obviously, make and model of the boiler for one, and what mode it's in. If you're using hot water on a combi, for example, your boiler will actually ramp up. It will be working at close to its maximum. So that's where the boiler's going to be at its noisiest. But obviously, if you've got heating on, for example, and you've got a modulating boiler, that will ramp down as per the demand that's put on it. It will vary in noise levels anyway. I don't even know if you can hear in the video right now. This is a Vaillant EcoTech Plus 836. Heating's on. There's not even a door on this cupboard at the moment, and it's whisper quiet in my opinion. And this particular model is also quiet mark accredited,